Time management strategies that entrepreneurs follow. In this video, we'll explore some time management strategies that can help you get more out of each day and take control of your time. We'll cover everything from effective task scheduling to delegation and time-saving hacks. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of time management strategies that you can start using immediately to boost your productivity. So, let's get started. As an entrepreneur, time management is key to your success. You have to be able to juggle a lot of different balls, from meetings and deadlines to networking and socializing, and still have time for yourself. That's why it's so important to have a good time management strategy in place. Here are some tips to help you get started. 1. Make a list of everything you need to do. This may seem obvious, but it's important to sit down and make a list of everything you need to do. This will help you prioritize your tasks and make sure you don't forget anything important. 2. Set deadlines for yourself. Once you've made your list, set deadlines for each task. This will help you stay on track and make sure you don't leave anything to the last minute. 3. Make time for breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day, or you'll end up feeling burnt out. So, make sure you schedule in some time to relax and recharge. 4. Delegate where possible. If you have a team, delegate tasks where possible. This will free up your time so you can focus on the most important tasks. 5. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking is a myth. You're actually more productive when you focus on one thing at a time. So, try to avoid distractions and really focus on the task at hand. 6. Take advantage of technology. There are a lot of great time management tools out there, so make use of them. From to-do list apps to project management software, there's something to help with every task. 7. Get rid of distractions. When you're trying to focus on a task, turn off your phone, close social media, and make sure you're in a quiet environment. 8. Set aside time for planning. It's important to set aside time each week to plan your upcoming tasks. This will help you stay organized and on top of everything you need to do. 9. Prioritize your tasks. Some tasks are more important than others, so make sure you prioritize them. This doesn't mean you should only work on the most important tasks, but you should definitely give them more attention. 10. Take some time for yourself. Last but not least, don't forget to schedule some time for yourself. This is important for your mental health and will help you avoid burnout. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering time management. Just remember to be patient, as it takes time to develop good habits. But once you get into the swing of things, you'll be glad you made the effort.